Yeah, what's up? This is Mixmaster Guys.
This is your aka Voice of the Streets.
So we are locked down on Data GHTV, man. Keep it locked. Stay tuned. Let's go.
What's up, guys? So welcome back to Real Entertainment Bars right here on Odate GHTV. If you are new here, I'll urge you to subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon to join this amazing family. Yeah, so straight to these bars, we have Bishop Bernard Nyako's brother narrates how his brother died. Yeah, so the late Bishop Bernard Nyako's brother Isaac Nyako has granted an interview to debunk rumors of how his late brother died. Yes, so according to Isaac Nyako, the elder brother of Bishop Bernard Nyako, the family has heard of rumors spreading wildly in the media space that his brother's death was as a result of his involvement in occultism, amongst other things. He stated emphatically that his brother is a man of God and who died in the Lord. Therefore, those spreading false information about him should desist from that. He further thanked all those who have shown love and support to the family as they mourn their brother in these trying times. Okay, guys, let's listen to Mr. Isaac Nyako, and also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below.
The family, Isaac Nyako. Miniane Benanyako Machiba no na me pese me ka kire adofo ene atiefu nyina se ni aba no me de tudwa no bia hu ni asie ebe kakra no minua no oyare kakra na ne ho emfa no yere kwa yare sabia eni mpaibo eni ade ese nyina na se Nyankopon se ade obeye no obeye obi antumi sisa ade anya me pesoye intino ye ne ba Rich Hospital na yese mu ID nti ekwekwema intino enra which is about 5:30 ena onyame eto ni sa efre no it because such a dofo ni Bishop Bernard ni fan fo nyina say nia media e kanu no kre ne mom no nyame afre no e wa asumdwe mu na monfa empaibo enta echi say nyame hye especially ye mame edi because mame no eba sa no had bebre intino mempese ubi abeka se na nyame ina afre no ewo asudwe mu nyame enhira mu nembom na hihye bia ho bia no yema adofo nyina ati se bia se ne be ya obi akoma beto yam nti asema ba no no kre se Bishop Bernard Nyako onyame ato nsa afre no menua ekitwa no machiri ba no nti monfa mpaibo enta echi na monfa musunsum ta echi se be ya yesu no Nyakobo be shede na ne aba no yesu bitumagina it be that the phone ase any media any ne fan Onyankopon enhyiram e mo mpa bo amreta yachi na me hyiram bebre nipa bebre e kan se bebre na omse say de be bosum de be we oye say ba pesem ka kire tiefo nyina say ni omo hu na nyesa na yehu no because omo no munim ni ma ekoso omo de atesem na metiwe dabi ba omo mo ni aso mohwe yie because ade no hu na oka na senya no kura asotwe beba oso nti mesom bebre se ubahwe yie won sem bia mo ka we awo media nti mesom bebre nyame ena frɛ no o nyame ba is a man of God nyame ato nsa frɛ no nti o ka sem bia bomode amesrew hwene yie because enye nsem nyina na sebe ese ubi wa no naka asebu akobi wa no ka na di ohaw ne ade adebe abro nti no nyame ato nsa frɛ no nti medamase bebre chadofo nyina se nhihye bia obia no yebema obia ate na isi ano yɛtoto nneɛma nti ama obi ate hyehyɛ bi a obi ano nti me dadofo ase ane ne fan me do obi ase. God bless you guys. I love you guys. You are very grateful. You are very amazing. Onyame nhyira mo sɛ mode mo mpaebɔ ata Bishop Bernard Nyarko akyi na nyame nhyira mo bebree medamase ane mede nyame gya mo medase.
Afọ ya wofu.
Na. Asase wo dia. Me to asase so me no wofu.
Ni mo me do dia na wo dia.
Asase me to asase so. Asase me dia me see you never feel. Asase so me get say.
Ai ta we abai samsa.
Me ja food fast asase so. Me ja be body me Kenya.
Sase kam dia so asase ya wo dia.
Wo dia. O ma mo asase. Asase wo dia. Asase no. Asase.
Ofa. Tu me fast kan me so a o.
Me ja food fast asase so.
Me food
fast asase so. O ma da.
Mo dwemi ni ma wo dia.
O ma asase.
Ofa.
Ofa.
Yo, it's all about UTV, right? I'm here with my lieutenant, the unique Kendall in the movie industry. See, the makeup artist, such a pretty lady, right? Makeup artist, yeah, anyone, and a strategy, you know. Yeah, this is your man, so I'm getting ready to go on air, right? And somebody and they make candy. Is it draw cry? Tree ever can say draw tree ever can say. Sanya Maya, Hayo Nyamina do Marako, Entia Sida Bankra. Now, me fama me nyamio. Yeah, this morning, all my fans. I'm singing this song to encourage you and to admonish you and for you to know that the Bible says it is not of him that will or run by the Lord that showed mercy. What you say? Dear why ye biano a ye nyame na dumara kwantifa sedamano. This morning I love you so much and I hope you are looking good. Get something to eat. Thank God for your life and say to yourself, say it is well, because tomorrow by this time your angel will come. Catch her who say and say. That one says so that I love you, don't die, because your angel is on the way coming. God bless you. Bye.